Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. If you have not still subscribed Math Solver, subscribe this channel. Today problem is root of m minus 4 plus root of m plus 4 equals 5. What will be the first step? Take square on both sides. When we take square, we have root of m minus 4 plus root of m plus 4, its square equals 4 square. We will apply the formula of a plus b whole square here. That equals a square plus b square plus 2 of ab. This will become root of m minus 4 square plus root of m plus 4 square plus root of 2 root of m minus 4 root of m plus 4. So 4 square is 16. Now this square is cancelled out by this root. We get m minus 4 plus m plus 4 plus 2 root of m minus 4 into m plus 4 is m square minus 16. That equals 16. Now plus 4 and minus 4 are cancelled out. M plus m is 2m plus 2 root of m square minus 16 equals 16. Now we will take 2 as common from this. We get m plus root of m square minus 16. That equals 16. 2 times here, it will divide it. So m plus root of m square minus 16 equals 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now m square minus 16 will equals 8 minus m. Now again we will take the square. So root of m square minus 16, when we take its square, also take 8 minus m square. This is cancelled out. M square minus 16 equals 64 plus m square minus 18 into 2 is 16m. We get m square minus m square minus 16 minus 64 equal minus 16m. This and this are cancelled out. 64 plus 16 is 80. Minus 80 equals minus 16m. Minus is cancelled out. M equals 80 by 16. So we get the value of m is 80 is divided by 16, 5. So write m equals 5. Write the answer here. Now we will do the verification, is our answer is correct or not. So in the left hand side, take m equals 5 in left hand side. Verify this. So 5 minus 4 plus 5 plus 4. This is 1, this is 9. Root 1 is 1 and root 9 is 3 square. 1 plus 3 is 4. That is the right hand side. It's mean our solution is correct. This is our answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.